Hi there, today I will be guiding me through how to get 5 days free trial of Jasper. So let's find out, can we really get a 5-day free trial of Jasper or not? So open your browser, which you prefer to use, in your computer, and in the Google search bar, simply search for Jasper AI. Once you will search for it, on the top you will see the main website. Click on it. And it's the first interface of Jasper which you will see. Now you will see multiple options, like get a demo, start free trial, and on the right top, get a demo and log in. If you have your account, then click on the option log in, but we want to get the free trial, so that's why I will click on the option free trial. Now it's saying try Jasper for free, just for 7 days. So here you will see some options of continue with Google, or enter your email address with first and last name, just like I want to use my Google account. So that's why I will click on the option Continue with Google. Now it will confirm my email address because my account was already signed in. So that's why I need to click on my account which I want to use. Then here I need to click on the option Continue. Then my Google account will be signed in Jasper. Enter your first name and last name, then hit Create Account. And here you can see I got access to the Jasper. You can also read Welcome to Jasper. I am excited to work with you. I need to complete these 5 steps to get full access of Jasper. So let me click on any of these and then need to hit this icon. Now after completing all the steps, I need to select a plan for getting a 7 days free trial on Jasper. So here, select a plan which you prefer to use. This one is a creator plan, it's pro and business. It will cost you $39.00 per month, and it will cost $59.00. But these are the annual subscription. In order to get monthly, click here and select monthly. The creator will cost you $49, this will be $69, and it's custom pricing. For this, you need to talk with Jasper team. Then you will get the 7-day free trial, and after it, they will charge you monthly or annually according to your plan. So is the way by which you can get free trial on Jasper, and that's it.